today I want to share with you one of my favorite fermented recipes. It's a coconut yogurt. It's dairy free, very easy to make at home. You only need a few ingredients. But before I start, I want to talk about the benefits of fermented food. Fermented food is rich in probiotic bacteria. And that probiotic bacteria goes down into your intestinal flora with all the other soldiers and helps fight off the bad guys, which is going to boost your immune system. But it'll also help you break the food down so your body can absorb the nutrients. I'm sure you heard the saying, you are what you eat, but it's really you are what you absorb. You could have the cleanest diet, eating the healthiest food, but if you've got a compromised digestive tract, meaning you're not breaking the food down properly, it doesn't matter what you eat. The nutrients aren't getting pulled out of it, or enough of them aren't getting pulled out of it to really benefit from the food that you're eating. So it's very important to have some sort of fermented food in your diet each week. You could eat it a couple of days a week or have a little bit every day. It's up to you. Now, we just go into it very easy. All you need is, I got 2 cans of coconut cream, organic, 400 milliliters. Tapioca flour, again, very easy to find. Really every supermarket should have it. And then I got a good quality probiotic. Okay, this starts the good bacteria. This starts the flora and the fermentation in the food. Okay, so a good probiotic, tapioca flour, and 2 cans of coconut cream. Here I got a jar. It's a Fido jar. Good quality seal. That's what you want. So get yourself a glass jar with a good quality seal. I like Fido. If you can't find Fido in your area, just shop around for a good quality one, okay? So that's all we need, and let's get into it.